Let's go. What's going on, guys? It is Dubby and Prestige Worldwide. We are back with some 2021 Panini Illusions. A 4-boxer. Number 4 is the 16th of January. Seen some nice stuff from this case already. Let's see what we've got left in. Have you guys been shocked with some of the playoff football that we have seen thus far? I don't know if I would say I was shocked. Raiders, I thought Raiders could beat the Bengals. But, I don't know, tough. Just saw Chiefs widening their lead against the Steelers, which was as expected, right? I mean, the Steelers stood a chance, but not much. Not much. The Bills, I think, right now, from what we have seen, are the team to beat. Auto on the back of that stack. Man, some autos. Seen through some of these acetate mystiques. Appreciate everyone paying promptly. Makes everything go smooth. Baker touchdown maker right on the top. Like that. Let's go with Baker to start things off. Crowder, Kelsey, nice Etienne to 249. 249 Etienne for the Jags. Good old dummy. Kyle Pitts. Nice rookie mystique. Rookie Marshall Kittle. Street Brown. Nice rookie there. And for the Broncos, Javonte Williams, 15 out of 25. Javonte Williams, 15 out of 25. Denver, that is going out to Mike K. Mike K. Congrats on that one, Mikey. King of Cards, Kyler. Derek Carr, Waddle rookie. Shark. Nice little gold Gaskin to 25 for the Dolphins. Elijah Moore, rookie mystique, numbered 12 out of 399 for the Jets. Darnold, Nwangu, Ayuk. Some Trey Lance relic action. Nice version here as well. Trey Lance, not numbered. Nice instant impact. A nice win for the 49ers as well. A sweaty, but a win nonetheless. Nice. Zach Wilson, rookie mystique. Aaron Rodgers, Danny Dimes, Trey Lance, rookie. J.K. Dobbins, and we have a Zach Wilson swatch as well. A little highlight relic for the Jets. The Jets, that is heading out to Steve J. What up, Stevie? Steve J. and the 49ers, by the way. San Fran, that was Taylor R. Highlight Zach Wilson, not numbered. Nice relic there. And a Justin Field Illusionist rookie on the back, like that for the Bears. Jamar Chase, the man himself, starting it off. Etienne, Carson Wentz. Sermon to 399 for the 49ers. Dummy. Jamar Chase mystique, nice. Brown Burrow. Mahomes Hurts to 149. It hurts. They got destroyed. The Eagles. Clear shots. Darius Leonard. Come on, dummies out there. Rookie Najee Harris. Tom Terrific. Kyle Pitts rookie. Freiermuth, 30 out of 50. First impressions rookie patch auto for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Pittsburgh, that is Cole H. Cole, congrats on that one, man. Freiermuth. I feel like with the Freiermuth name, he's got to have the Fryer haircut, right? The bowl cut, shave below. It only is right. Eckler. Nice illusionist Eckler for the Chargers. Judy, Diggs, Lamar, Allen to 499. King of Cards, blue Russell Wilson at 107 out of 299. Palmer rookie, Russell the Muscle. Des Fitzpatrick rookie, and we have an elusive ink throwback for the Buccaneers, 44 out of 50, Brad Johnson. Tampa Bay, that is Matt M. There you go. Steve, what up, Steve? Steve, you already got a hit in box number 1. King of Cards, Justin Fields, to finish off box 1. On to 2, Star Cuts. Star Cuts. Anyone get to the Dallas show this last weekend? Saw some stuff on social media. It looked pretty solid. We are gearing up for the Chicago show in March. You guys have to keep me informed if anything crazy happens in the Steelers, Chiefs. And by anything crazy, I would mean Steelers score any more touchdowns. I just don't see it happening. Maybe it does. I just don't see it happening. Alrighty, box number 2. Chark Marshall. Kittle. Fitzpatrick rookie for the Titans, 23 out of 75. Dummy. Rookie Terrace Marshall, Mystique. Ayuk, Carr, Jalen Waddle, rookie for the Dolphins. We're going to stop here with the Etienne Inkblots auto numbered 89 out of 99. Nice looking card there for Jacksonville. It is halftime right now. Appreciate that. Jacksonville, that is Eric B. Congrats on that. Like the ink blots. Going to back it up with Trevor Lawrence on the clear shots as well. J.K. Dobbins, Darnold, Nwangwu, Russell Westbrook to 499. And nice portrait Kyler Murray, Shining Stars. That is numbered at 235 out of 399. Aaron Rodgers, Daniel Jones, Trey Lance rookie. And a Mac Jones Instant Impact relic. A lackluster game for Mac Jones. But it is a nice relic for the Pats tonight. The Patriots. That is Jason L. There you go, Jason. Instant Impact Mac Jones. Etienne, rookie or illusionist, Marset. Rob Gronkowski, Ian Book. We have a Justin Herbert relic. Look at that for the Chargers. The LA Chargers and Ryan G. Grabbing the highlight relic for the LA Chargers of Justin Herbert. And a King of Cards, Joe Burrow for the Bengals. Kyle Pitts, seen a lot of him tonight. We'll get a relic of him. Dwamie Brown, Joe Burrow. Josh Palmer to 499 for the Chargers. Derwin James Jr. for the Chargers on the clear shots. Lamar, Najee Harris rookie, Tom Brady. Kyle Trask to 399 for the Buccaneers. So Buccaneers doing something. Illusionist, Rob Gronkowski. Fitzpatrick rookie, Judy. Another throwback. This time it's a patch auto of Len Dawson. 30 out of 35. The old 2-bar helmet action as well. Kansas City. That is Jay. There you go, kid. The immortalized Len Dawson to /35. The 2-color patch there as well. Justin Fields, like that rookie Shining Stars for the Bears. Congrats to the Bears. Kelsey, rookie Palmer. Wilson, Jameson Crowder for the Jets. 3 out of 249. Allen Robinson, Blue Illusionist, numbered 143 out of 299 for the Bears. Street Brown, Baker, Crowder, Allen Robinson the second. On the Limelight signature is 44 out of 199 for the Bears. The Chicago Bears. That is Heath J. Heath. Nice auto. The Bears making a little bit of noise now. Then a King of Cards, Dak Prescott sliding to lose the game for the Cowboys. What a wild ending that was. What a wild ending that was. Not understanding that play call. That was a designed quarterback keep. I don't know about that, folks. Box number 3, though. Speaking of box, if anyone likes something that they pull in one of these boxes, you can grab a one-touch or shipping insurance at pwwcards.com. Some personal boxes available for breaking as well there. So head on over to the website, check it out. Let us know. We'd rip it or ship it, whatever you decide. Was the halftime score of that game 21-7? Or the Steelers and Chiefs? Box number 3, here we go. Saw a lot of autos in this stack, so we'll see. Gainwell for the Eagles. Tim Tebow, Nico Collins for the Texans. We have a Trevor Lawrence, Peyton Manning Rookie Idols relic, dual relic. We'll have to random at the end of the break. The Colts and the Jacksonville Jaguars. Little dual relic Rookie Idols. We'll take care of that at the end. Not numbered, but nice. Illusionist Trey Lance rookie. Anthony Schwartz, Eskridge for the Seahawks. Jacobs Burrow to 499. King of Cards Sean Taylor. Jared Goff rookie Cornell Powell. Keenan Allen rookie Dwami Brown to 499 for the Washington football teams. Good old-fashioned dummy. Justin Fields Illusionist variation to 399 for the Bears. Trey Sermon rookie for the 49ers. Davis Mills rookie for the Texans. Trevor Lawrence to 399 for the Jaguars. Shining Stars Christian McCaffrey on the portrait. Fields rookie Sean Taylor. Jonathan Taylor. A redemption. Let's get this Jalen Waddle mystique there. Redemption of Justin Fields, first impressions autograph, and there are the Bears again, the Chicago Bears and Heath J. Congrats on that one. Wow, the Bears having themselves a break. The Bears having themselves a break. Sean Watson, Mac Jones, there's the rookie Jones. We need Hubbard. Devontae Smith to 249 for the Eagles. Nice stuff there. Philly getting silly. Saquon clear shots. Ham Cam. Ryan Tannehill. Ian Book. Beautiful card here. The Trophy Collection 1 of 5. Ian Book rookie. Like that for the New Orleans Saints. New Orleans. The Saints. That is heading out to Don G. The Don Father. Beautiful. Drew Brees. Ian Book. Little insert there. Myles Gaskin right here on the ink, numbered 6 of 99. The superlatives for the Miami Dolphins. Miami, that is Kent M. There you go, Kent. Nice low numbered auto. 6 of 99. Derwin James, clear shots. Justin Herbert, Saquon, Jalen Hurts, Joe Burrow to 499 for the Bengals. Dummy, Rob Gronkowski, Jefferson, Higgins, Kyle Trask, Buccaneers. Oh, is this ink? It is, and that's a big boy. Rookie Vision 20 of 20, Mac Truck, Mac Jones. Wow, big hit for the New England Patriots. That is heading out to Jason L. Wow, that is a hit. Congratulations, Jason and the New England Patriots on this 20 of 20 Rookie Vision Mac Jones. Beautiful auto there. King of Cards, Dak Prescott, numbered to 149. Tua, Sutton, Jacob Harris for the Rams. Kyler to 399 and Dak Prescott, King of Cards. Box 3 was a hot one. An absolute hot one out of box 3. What's box 4 going to hold for us? Best of luck. And up next, we've got Chrome Black Baseball. And then after that, we can get personal. Personal breaks available on the website at pwwcards.com. If anyone was looking for a personal box tonight. Maybe a personal case, huh? We've got both retail and hobby available. Appreciate all you guys who purchased little personal boxes for you on the website. And try and get our hands on extra allocations for you guys. Another Mac Jones coming up, this Patriots spot. Looking mighty fine right now. There he is on the top, too. Goodness gracious. Here we go. Last and final box. Mac Jones, Chuba Hubbard, Justin Fields. 3 beautiful rookies back to back. And then a Miles Sanders to 499. Thought we were going to see an ink on that. That would have been crazy. Dummy. Josh Jacobs, Illusionist. Nice stuff there for the Raiders. Cam Newton, Ryan Tannehill, Deshaun Watson. Here is a rookie auto. Rookie signs Christian Barmore to 199, excuse me, for the New England Patriots. And the Patriots are still rolling. Patriots are still rolling. Oh, Paul, you got to make it happen. Call that shot, Paul. We need that Giants call. There is a King of Cards, Zach Wilson. Herbert, Saquon, Hurts. Ian Book again. Is it ink? No, but it's another nice insert. 90 out of 99. The Saints. Okay, okay, Don. Shining Stars, Zach Wilson to 299 on the variation. Jefferson, Higgins, rookie. Trask. Is this a Pitts relic? It is. Kyle Pitts, the instant impact. Hot Atlanta hit. Hot Atlanta of Joseph S. Joseph S. and the Atlanta Falcons. My, oh my. Couple of Falcons beauties tonight. Look at this beauty. Mac Jones, Shining Stars. Tua, Sutton, Harris, rookie. Justin Jefferson on the highlight swatch. Highlight swatch, Justin Jefferson, Minnesota Vikings, Stephen B. Stephon B. Highlight Jefferson. Nice swatch there. Davis Mills, rookie for the Texans. Tim Tebow. Nico Collins, rookie for the Texans. Cam Akers, Matthew Stafford and the Rams to 499. Good old-fashioned dummy. King of Cards, Tom Brady. Eskridge rookie. Jacobs on the base. Antonio Gibson to 75 for the Washington football team. Don G as well. Mari Cooper on that portrait. Cowboys. Cornell Powell rookie. Keenan Allen base. Anthony Schwartz for the Browns. Look at this. Is this an auto? It is, and it's a beauty. 5 of 10. 3-color patch or 3-piece patch auto. 2 colors, blue and white. The tight end, Jason Witten. 5 of 25, and they could have used him on that last drive. But instead, they used the QB sneak option. Beautiful hit for Dallas. Hopefully that kind of wipes that. Heath J. There you go, man. Heath doubling up with a few spots tonight. Rashad Bateman rookie for the Ravens. Ravens a little quiet. Kamara. Davis Mills rookie for the Texans. Jared Goff. Najee Harris on the Prism, or the variation, excuse me. 115 out of 249 for the Steelers. Nice stuff there for Pittsburgh. King of Cards, Kyler to 399. Sean Taylor, Jonathan Taylor, Trey Sermon. What do we have here? It's an Austin Eckler Illusionist auto. Wow, the Chargers. San Diego, a.k.a. L.A. Ryan G. Illusionist Eckler auto. Numbered to 99. 90 out of 99 on that. And a clear shots, Devontae Adams. Remember, we do have a random to do between the Colts and the Jaguars. Let me pull this up here on random.org. Alrighty, guys, let me add this screen capture over here. Alright, we've got the Jags and Colts. Hey, Paul, unfortunately, with eBay's terms of service, we have to ship something. So, Jags and Colts on this redemption. Again, Jaguar or redemption random. Jags and Colts. Let's roll our dice, move our mice, figure out how many times we're going to randomize this list. Anything but Snake Eyes will do it for us. 5 times on the random, 5 times on the random. Here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final time. Team on top will take the card. It is 5. The Indianapolis Colts are taking this dual relic. Indy. That is head now to Matt M. Matt M. Grabbing this Rookie Idols relic. Congrats. That's the break. 4-boxer of Illusionist number 4. This was WB and Prestige Worldwide. We appreciate you guys. Have a great one.